Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to transfer money between your Barclays account using the app. So you can transfer money between your Barclays account using the Barclays mobile banking app. Here's how you can do it. First thing, you have to log in. Once logged in, look for an option within the app's menu or navigation bar related to transfer or payment. Now this option may be labeled as transfer money or move money or something similar. Within the transfer section, you'll typically have the option to choose the type of transfer you want to make. You can look for an option specifically for transferring money between your own account with Barclays. You can select the account between which you want to transfer money. This could include transferring money from your current account to a savings account, then credit card account or another account as well. Now enter in the exact amount and then the details of the information, all that. And then you could go ahead and confirm the transaction, all that, receive the confirmation, and by following the steps, you'll have easily transferred money back to your Barclays account using the Barclays mobile banking app. So that's how you can transfer money between your Barclays account using the Barclays app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.